Apple has sold bushels of AirPods. They're Bluetooth earbuds that connect to iPhones and iPads. But not everyone wearing AirPods is a millennial listening to music. Some seniors are actually using AirPods to help their hearing. Now, for those viewers who already wear hearing aids, I'll show you how you connect them directly to your phone. And if you don't wear hearing aids but feel your hearing isn't optimal, well, we'll show you how you can use AirPods to help you hear better, whether you're listening to your favorite band or your favorite grandkid. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.Org. First there were cell phones, and then Apple invented the iPhone, which helped them become a multi-trillion-dollar company. Similarly, after wireless earbuds became a thing, Apple produced AirPods and sold millions of them. Now, earbuds often come with warnings that listening to them at loud volume could damage your hearing, but many don't realize that AirPods can actually help your hearing. The truth is that about 80% of Americans who could benefit from wearing hearing aids just don't, even though untreated hearing loss could lead to additional health problems. One primary obstacle is their cost, which can run thousands of dollars. Now, while AirPods can be expensive when compared to off-brand earbuds, they are much cheaper than hearing aids. AirPods utilize a feature called Live Listen that uses your iPhone as a microphone. Live Listen helps drown out background noise and amplify sound so you can hear better in a crowded space or hear someone speaking across the room more clearly. If you ever have trouble hearing someone at dinner in a noisy restaurant, this feature could benefit you. First, you need to check what operating system your iPhone or iPad is using. It needs to be 14.3 or higher. Now, if it isn't, it could be possible to update your operating software, but you should check with someone with digital skills. Now, for more detailed steps on how to do this, check out an article written by audiologist Brad Ingrao. To use Live Listen with your iPhone or iPad, you'll first need to add it to your control center, and that's the screen meant to house your most used features. Go to your settings and tap Control Center. Scroll down to find the hearing icon and tap the green plus sign next to it. Make sure the hearing icon is now up in the included controls section. Tap Settings at the top of your screen to save the change. To use the Live Listen feature, connect your AirPods as you normally do. This feature should work with AirPods, AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, as well as Powerbeats Pro. Then open the Control Center and tap on the hearing icon. Then tap where it says Live Listen. This will turn Live Listen from off to on. And put your phone in front of whatever sound you want to hear and adjust the volume to where you need it. The iPhone's microphone will pick up the sounds and amplify them to play through the AirPods. And you can continue to use your iPhone as usual by tapping out of the box and tapping or swiping out of the control panel. To be fair, while they can enhance your hearing, your AirPods won't replace actual hearing aids. Hearing aids do more to amplify sound and are highly specific to your particular type of hearing loss, ear anatomy, and needs. An audiologist can help you determine what's right for you. And if you do wear hearing aids, well, many of them can be hooked up directly to your iPhone. Connecting your hearing aid to your iPhone improves sound quality by routing calls, videos, and music directly to your hearing aids. It also allows you to make hearing aid adjustments more easily using your phone. Apple works with top hearing aid manufacturers to create what they call Made for iPhone or MFI hearing aids. There are many options from more than 40 manufacturers, including Lively, Signia, and Beltone. You can find a list of compatible hearing aids on Apple's website. I'll put the link in the description below. To use Made for iPhone devices, you'll need an iPhone 5 or later. You can also connect your hearing aids to certain iPads as well. Now, to connect them, tap the settings icon on your iPhone's home screen. In your settings, tap the category called Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth by clicking the slider button that appears. You'll know it's on when it turns green. Open the battery doors on your hearing aid, and then on your phone go to Settings again, tap the accessibility icon. Scroll down to the hearing section and tap Hearing Devices. Close the battery doors on your hearing aid. And on the Hearing Devices screen, you'll see the word Searching next to a spinning wheel, which indicates your phone is searching for compatible hearing aids. When your device's name appears on the screen, tap on that name. And then you'll tap Pair when prompted with a pairing request, and you wait for them to find each other. You should be able to use your hearing aid when it appears under MFI hearing devices with a little check mark. And if you turn your hearing aid off, well, that'll disconnect you from your device. And when you turn it on, you can reconnect it easily by just opening and closing your battery doors on your hearing aids. Just like we discussed doing with AirPods, you can use the Live Listen feature to help hear someone speaking in a noisy room or far away. With your hearing aids connected to your iPhone, you'll have a much easier time talking and FaceTiming with friends or listening to audio. You'll also be able to use your iPhone to adjust the volume and check your hearing aid batteries. Now, for more details on pairing hearing aids to your iPhone and troubleshooting tips, check out our article. And if you want to test your hearing from the comfort of your own home, well, you should check out our 5-minute online hearing test. I'll put the link in the description below. For products and services to help you age with ease, visit SeniorLiving.Org, where you can find and compare housing options for seniors, including in-home care, assisted living, nursing homes, and everything in between. And please join our community that's 30,000 strong and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.